In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your contacts from your Android to your iPhone. Now, this can be really useful if you've purchased a new phone and you want to sync your contacts across devices. Now, to do this, first go and open up the Contacts app on your Android, and then click on the three vertical dots in the top right-hand side. You can then click on Settings, and click on Move Contacts to Other Storage Location. Now, where it says Select to move your contacts from, click on your phone, and then select the contacts that you want to move to your iPhone. So I'm just going to press All in the top left-hand side and click on Done. You then need to select your Google account at the bottom of this page and click on Move. Now, once your contacts have been moved to your Google account, we can now go and sync and access these on our iPhone. So just head over to your iPhone and go and load up the settings. You then need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Apps. Scroll down again until you see Mail and click on this. Now select Mail Accounts and click on the Add Account button. You'll then need to go and add your Google account to your iPhone. So if you haven't already done this, click on Choose from a List, click on Google, click on Open Browser, and then you'll simply need to go and sign in with your Google account. Now, once you've signed into your Google account, just make sure this option called Contacts, make sure this is turned on like you see here. You can then go and press Save. Now, once you've done this, you can go and open up the contacts on your iPhone, click on the arrow in the top left-hand side, and then you'll see Gmail. Go and click on this, and this is going to show you all of your contacts that you've transferred from your Android. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.